Happy Saturday, guys.
Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on.
I'm just here starting off my morning working out in our home gym here. I did 3:30. It was a good workout, but I want to keep going until I reach 2.5 miles. So I'm doing kind of a bit of a cool down now while I finish up the last 0.4 miles. And then I have some coffee here. I haven't been able to get very far with it because I spilled on myself when I was trying to walk and drink the coffee. So I'm gonna finish up my workout here, shower, and I'll see you soon. Just finished. Woo! So before I shower, quick update on the glass tabletop. Unfortunately, we were supposed to get a quote for the other 2 sizes like a week ago, and it still hasn't. This quote still hasn't come in. So I've been following up with that. We're waiting for the quote, and then we have to order it, and then it'll be another week from then. But we are getting the glass tabletop. And then I got the little silicone stoppers that go in here. So I guess in order to prevent like a glass table from moving, you use those like silicone like stoppers you put on like drawers and stuff, but they have a drilled hole. So they have ones that still have the topper, but then it looks like a screw because part of the silicone goes in here so that it doesn't slide off of the base. Today's the first day I'm gonna be trying this new razor. I got it from Costco yesterday. It's like the flamingo one, and it came with a bunch of extra cartridges, but I thought it was cute and like classy. So I'm switching from my old drugstore razors to this. So I'm gonna make some breakfast, some tater tots. I went to Costco yesterday. I got 2 boxes of these jalapeno poppers. They are literally the best thing ever. But I had my freezer like fully organized. I had like all my protein on this shelf, all of like meals and like ready to go snacks on this one, vegetables on this one, and then this one was like appetizers. However, because I got 2 boxes of jalapeno poppers, I put them here, and then Darren's on a bagel hype right now, so I got 2 things of bagels, and then to keep them fresh, I put 1 in here. So unfortunately now it's kind of not organized, but it was. And then I cleared out this one, just put ice cream. Look how freaking cute this is. This is dog ice cream. I got it at Petco. Thought that was so cute. And then, look, I like went through and like organized everything. I'm so happy with how this turned out. Oh, I need these for breakfast. Okay, these egg bites, if you haven't had them from Costco, they taste just like the Starbucks ones. They are freaking amazing. And so each one comes with like 4 2-packs, and I get 5 of them because we are obsessed. And then some Costco bacon, obviously. So while the tater tots cook, I'm just gonna finish getting ready. We're gonna be going downtown and taking the pups for a walk, maybe grabbing some drinks and just hanging out downtown. It's been a while since we've done that. We really enjoy it. And of course the pups enjoy it. All the smells, all the people, they love it. So we're gonna be doing that and then checking out the farmer's market if it's still open. Unfortunately, it's already getting pretty late because we stayed up super late last night finishing this show on Amazon called Hannah. And it's a really good show. If you are looking for a new show, check it out. But because of that, I slept in like an hour and a half later than usual. So my entire schedule is like an hour and a half behind. So I'm just trying to hurry up and get the show on the road here. But I think we are pretty much ready. Got their pup patties. There you go. There you go. So we just got home and we decided we're gonna take the boat out. I forgot to tell the vlog ever, but 2 or 3 weeks ago, we actually bought a second boat. We bought a pontoon boat. And this one we kind of leave out there. It's like all weather, so we can leave it out there year round. So we are gonna take it to a bar and go get drinks and watch the sunset. It's about 6 o'clock. We just got back. My hair's a little messy from the boat, but Amazon just came and I got those little bumper things I was telling you guys about. So I'm gonna show you how they work. So here it is. It basically just looks like a little silicone screw, and you just put them in the hole. That way it's like a bumper to prevent the glass from sliding. But, oh, whoops, I pulled it out. But also because it has a base, it prevents it from coming out. Happy Sunday. I've been up for a couple hours, just had a leisurely morning doing some online shopping, looking for dresses for some weddings I'm attending this year. And then I'm drinking my kombucha. So now I have switched to coffee and I'm gonna get ready. And we have brunch in about an hour and a half with some friends. So I'm finally ready. It's gonna be colder than it was yesterday, so I'm wearing this new North Face like long puffer coat. I'd gotten it for snowboarding, so I have it kind of like oversized so I could wear like a sweatshirt under it. However, it's actually super cute too. So it's like belted. So I have it like not zipped up, just belted, and it's actually very fashionable. So I'm excited to wear this today. That way, in case we get seated outside, I'm not going to want to die. And then I'm finishing up my coffee, and I think we have to get going in like 20 minutes. We're finally leaving for brunch. I had a bit of a costume change. I changed into this crop coat instead because it's warming up and I feel like I'm just gonna get way too hot in the other one. So now we're off. So we are home, we have changed and just in comfy clothes. Darren's playing fetch with the kids outside. I have a beer here and we are just barbecuing. The kids meet outside, hanging out and just having like a super leisurely evening. I feel like this is what Saturday should feel like. I know it's Sunday and I really don't want to work tomorrow. Really don't want to work tomorrow. But it's like giving me summer vibes. I feel like the weather, everything is summer and I'm just waiting for like spring and summer to hit immediately. So we are getting ready to make a dinner tonight. So we decided that we're going to make the herb buttered mushroom and wild rice again. However, we want a bit of protein. So we're gonna make the lemon breaded chicken, but not make all the sauce and all that, just the chicken. And then we're gonna add it to this. And we're just gonna make our own concoction because we're feeling a little wild this Sunday night. And so we were watching Friends. Darren's gonna put on some like Italian cookie music. We're gonna get the vibes right and get cooking. Good morning and happy Monday. I realized this morning that I never ended the vlog yesterday. So after we ate, we just watched a show until we got tired and went to bed. Nothing else exciting really happened, and that's how I forgot to end it. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up. If you like these type of videos or whatever type of videos of mine you like, head over to my channel. I've got playlists, so whatever you want more of, I've got more of. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for